purse got stolen downtown. Yep.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. It is another beautiful day in Los Angeles and I had the most wonderful, eventful January, so I am so excited to share all the highlights with you guys. New Year's started off with a big bang because there were so many fireworks here in LA. It was unfortunate because the weather was a little foggy, so we couldn't see anything, but we could definitely hear it. Of course, as you may know, after New Year's, California had a humongous wildfire. So we got really lucky because we live in the city and we were quite far away from the fires and all the bushes and the trees. So we were quite safe. But there was a time when Runyon Canyon caught on fire and we could see the flames from our house. And that was really scary, so we had a to-go bag and we packed everything up to make sure, just in case we had to evacuate, we were ready. The skies were so smoky and black for a few days. It was raining ash and just terrible air quality. So even when the sky started to clear up, we still had to mask up and protect ourselves. We are so grateful and blessed to be okay and safe from the fires. It was quite the experience to witness such a big fire. January was a tough month for Los Angeles, but life goes on, and what we really needed to do was to go car shopping because we were still renting and we really needed a car of our own. So we did a lot of test drives, many test drives. We checked out so many cars.
We found a car, guys! We really liked it. We're gonna get a used Mazda CX-5 and now we're on our way to go get it.
I also got to meet up with some friends this month. We went to have Mexican food and shopped around the area of Frogtown. Living in Los Angeles, I also wanted to try a lot of iconic restaurants, and of course, I couldn't skip out on In-N-Out.
We are now on our way to In-N-Out. It is my first experience ever eating In-N-Out, so I'm really excited to check out their fries and burgers.
So crispy.
We're also slowly filling up our apartment to make it our home. So we have been buying lots of furniture from Facebook Marketplace secondhand. It's environmental and cheap. And we finally got a dining table. It was only $80 including the chair, so it was an amazing find. We also got a TV cabinet. It is perfect because we were using just a cardboard box to hold up our TV. Get rid of this. We were shopping a lot and finding a lot of good finds.
You guys, I'm already in my pajamas, but oh my goodness, I just found the cutest lamp in the entire universe. This is too cute. Oh my gosh, look at it. So now I'm really excited. I'm gonna go put on some proper clothes and go out and grab this dinosaur lamp. Let's go. So cute. So cute.
I also went to Home Depot for the first time and found our plant baby, our first plant baby in LA.
Ooh.
This January, I also went to Toronto for the very first time in my life. I was raised in Canada, but in Vancouver, so I never visited Toronto before, so I was really excited. There is a big fancy gala called Fête Chinois, and I was invited to go there to sing. It was a wonderful opportunity to go and perform. I also have family in Toronto, and I haven't seen them in ages, so I knew it was going to be a wonderful trip.
Good morning. It is now 3:30 in the morning. I just woke up. We are now gonna get ready to go to the airport because I am going to Toronto today. The flight is at 7:30, but because LAX is a little crazy all the time, so we need to go there 3 hours early. So, all right, let's go. So I'm at LAX right now. I just finished checking in and oh my gosh, you guys, I just checked the weather app and Toronto is negative 17 degrees Celsius. I have no idea what I'm gonna do because I am not prepared for the cold, but thank God I have my cousin over there and I can probably borrow her coat, so I should be okay. I think it's gonna be the coldest place I've ever been to, so it's gonna be an experience. I'm ready. I just got my luggage and now my cousin is gonna go meet me at the arrival hall. Oh my god.
After arriving in Toronto, we went straight to my cousin's house so I could meet the kids. I played them my music videos and they were dancing. It was really cute.
Dance.
We had a wonderful home-cooked meal with all the kids, and it was just a perfect first night in Toronto. It's snowing, isn't it? Yay! All right, let's get ready to go out for some dim sum. This is my niece.
Hi, kiddos.
Hi.
Hi. Hey guys, these are my nieces and nephews, and what are we gonna do now?
We're going tubing.
We're going tubing! Yay! Hi, what's your name?
Octavia.
Octavia, how old are you?
3.
You're 3? We're gonna go tubing and sledding. Hi!
Hi.
Whoa!
Okay. Yay!
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Oh my god, they're backwards. Hi! Woo! Good morning.
On the second night, we had a huge family seafood dinner outside to celebrate my birthday and the Lunar New Year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lesley. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you? Are you one? Are you two? Oh, almost. Two more. Way! Thank you.
Thank you! After dinner, we went back to downtown Toronto. It was my first time seeing the CN Tower, which was so iconic and cool.
You can't even see your face because you're so up.
We went back to my hotel so I can get ready for the Fête Chinois gala the next day. Oh, you caught that on camera. My husband makes good lights. Ooh, fancy.
How is it? Is it comfy?
Yeah, it's really nice. Good morning, everyone. It is another beautiful and very cold day in Toronto. It is Saturday, and I'm so excited because tonight is the big gala event for Fête Chinoise. I'll be performing one song. I'll be singing If I Ain't Got You by Alicia Keys. Of course, one of my favorites forever and ever. And right now, we are getting ready to go to rehearsals. It is my first time performing in Canada, my home sweet home, so I'm really excited, I'm really proud, and it's gonna be really, really fun tonight.
The Terry Jenkins Dance Studio.
I'm loving the live band. All right. All right, I just finished rehearsals and I got my hair done and now I am doing my makeup. I'm gonna go get ready for the red carpet, and then it's showtime. Ready to go out.
Give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello everybody. Hope everyone's doing good. My name is Lesley Chiang. I'm a singer-songwriter and actress from Hong Kong, and I'll be singing If I Ain't Got You. Today is Sunday, and I am still in Toronto. I was supposed to fly back today, but my purse got stolen downtown. Yep, I lost my passport, I lost my wallet, all my credit cards, my money. It's the first time something like this happened to me, so it was really scary and shocking and just, oh my gosh, I'm still so stressed about it. So now I am back at my cousin's house. Tomorrow morning we're gonna go to the embassy and deal with the whole passport situation. And now I'm just trying to calm down and have fun with the kids at home. So we had to cancel my flight, and I'm gonna go back to LA a little bit later. Anyways, everybody tells me there's nothing I can do, so... Sorry, it's a little noisy. There's 5 kids in the house. I'm just gonna have to concentrate on enjoying the rest of my time in Toronto and, you know, being happy because I'm with family. So, anyways, good night.
It is my birthday today. It's January 28th, and the biggest birthday present is I got my passport. I got my new passport, so I'm gonna fly back to Los Angeles tomorrow. So right now we're just doing a little shopping, and tonight we're gonna have dinner at home with the kids and celebrate my birthday. Smile, 1, 2, 3. Cake!
Oh my gosh, it's cake! 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 Get the cake! Happy birthday, Auntie Lesley! Happy birthday to you!
Yay!
No.
Okay, let's blow it all together.
Okay,
1,
1,
2,
2, 3.
And that was my January. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy making these monthly vlogs, and your support really means the world to me, so thank you so much. Wishing you all a wonderful, happy new year. May your life be blessed with lots of love and health and happiness. And I will see you for my February vlog. Love you.